Time for First Alert weather. Let's see what's happening tonight. Chief Meteorologist Scott Padgett. We've talked about the chance of thunderstorms, but you think not until maybe the overnight hours, right?
Yeah, that's when it could get a little bit loud as these storms are moving from West Texas and moving to the east-southeast. Now, looking at the First Alert satellite radar right now, we have a little bit of rain in Delta County stretching down through parts of Hopkins County, making its way down to the south and east. Noticing one storm has just developed to the west of Seymour. We'll watch that one to see how that's going to progress its way southeastward. But more activity is further out towards the west. We saw these storms make their way out of parts of New Mexico, now pushing their way into West Texas, where there is a severe thunderstorm watch until 9 o'clock. So this is the activity that we've been watching and forecasting for the past few days. It's going to ride on these winds. They're still out of the northwest flow, and that's going to be holding on through at least Thursday before that then tapers down. So that's where there is that slight risk of severe storms. But you notice it does start to touch the southwest sides of North Texas, where there is a 15% chance that we could see some storms with some larger hail. The more significant hail further towards the west with these severe storms that are trying to hold together. So the First Alert Futurecast really picks up on that activity that's out to the west. Here we are about 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock. That activity shifting its way to the east. By the time we get closer towards midnight, still west of North Texas. But then by the time we go to about 2 to 3 in the morning, those storms, as they're dying down, will work their way down towards the southeast. Possibly south of 20, we could see maybe some heavier rain for the morning commute, and then a lot of that then tapers off as we go through your Wednesday, and then off and on through the day, maybe some spotty showers around possibly late Wednesday night into Thursday morning. Also some more storms working their way in on that same pattern. Right now we're sitting at 84 degrees though, southeast winds at 12 at DFW, so not too bad as you step outside. All across North Texas, low to the mid 80s, holding on. Slightly warmer in Breckenridge at 88 degrees. As you take a look through the remainder of the evening hours, down to about 78 degrees by 9. By midnight, 75 degrees. Your precip chances go up closer towards about 20 to then 50%, 3 to 4, as those storms are working their way on in and continuing to die out. So you can see as we go through tomorrow, we're going to start out with possibly those rain and storm chances around 40% to start out. Temperatures will be in the low to the mid 70s by the time we go to the afternoon hours, dropping to a 20% chance. High temperatures then are going to be warming their way into the lower 80s. With more cloud cover around and some rain, it's going to be a cooler day. And you notice that also has effect on our pollen count. We drop to that low category for Wednesday, then we start to creep back up going into Thursday and Friday. First Alert 7-day forecast shows as we go into the holiday weekend, we'll see 85 Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Rain chances around 20% for Memorial Day. Rain chances at 30%. High temperature, though, holding in the mid 80s.